Pablo again. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate my little Arduino MIDI controller, which I did for my module CSD3700 as a third year student at Middlesex University studying information technologies. So I mainly decided to do the MIDI controller because as I'm running a little home studio, it will also give me the availability to use it later as of my workstation. So the MIDI controller is just running off 3 potentiometers at the moment. That will eventually get sped out to more. My aim is to get up to 16 potentiometers, which I can literally control the volumes and pan and different basically settings. It depends on alignment. So at first the wiring would be simple. It's pretty much 3 wires for each potentiometers. The yellow one here is literally going towards the ground. The blue one, it's towards the positive. Then obviously the positive line and the ground is connected into the Arduino as such, which is literally giving the 5 volts and the ground into the breadboard. Then the middle wire of each potentiometer is going into the input, which is A0, A1 and A2. And then that's the MIDI output socket for me to allow it to sync into the PC. At second point, the coding, it's pretty much simple. It's taken of one of the existing projects which I did already as a thing, and I just adjusted it towards the setup and the output of each potentiometer. So for me to connect the MIDI controller, which is called MidiConti version 1, into my Mac, I needed to download 2 applications as a software, which are called Hairless MIDI Stereo, which is here, and also IP MIDI. So by them 2 softwares, it will literally let me to select the output and the input of the MIDI through the USB, as the MIDI here it's connected literally into the PC along with the Arduino Uno. So as my software for this, I used Logic 9, mainly because this is what I use normally. So what I did was I just created a little tune of 3 simple tracks, which are drums, a classic electric piano and Liverpool bass as a bass guitar. So the way I aligned it was simple, by literally going into controls, going into control alignment, and each potentiometer is aligned towards the audio volume setup. So as you can see at the moment, everything's turned down because all the potentiometers are turned down. So once I press play and adjust the volume, it should literally raise up and you can hear the little tune, which is roughly around less than 10-15 seconds. So let's just hear it, how it sounds. So first I will input the drums, the electric piano, and then the bass. Yep, so that was a little demo of the MidiConti version 1 for my project as a CSD3700 module. So hope you like it, and leave a comment below for any improvements. Thank you.